Oh. I'll talk in a minute. That sneeze has been coming on all day. I felt the sneeze coming on all day, and I was waiting. I had my camera ready. And it didn't happen. And I'm just about to go to bed. Again, I'm just about to go to bed. Because I'm tired. And I missed about, I don't know, about 30 seconds, 40 seconds before I pressed record. I just had to find my phone again. I packed it all up to go to bed. Well, folks. Well, that was a different sneeze, I guess. Keep you posted. Love you all. Bye.